Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Anyway, I just want to ask how is your day today? Hope all is well and good health is no problem. We don't encounter problem today. Anyway, I just want to ask how is your day and have a good night's sleep everyone. Sweet dreams and see you tomorrow. I need to sleep early because I have duty in my training tomorrow. But I'm gonna assign in the nursery tomorrow. I request my supervisor if he gonna assign me in the nursery so that I can learn how to handle the kids in the nursery. And I can apply work in the school or in the orphanage or about kids because I have experience already handling the patient, bedridden patient. So now I want to learn how to handle kids in nursery. That is why I request my supervisor to assign me in the kids. Good night everyone, see you tomorrow, and I hope our day today is smooth, no sickness, always healthy, stay safe and healthy everyone. Happy weekend, enjoy your weekend guys, bye, good night.